use of traditional fossil fuels has increased atmospheric levels of carbon dioxide. Unless something's done, our planet will warm up, leading to undesirable changes to the weather and our lifestyles. So new sources of clean, renewable energy are attracting a lot of attention. So let's check it out, tech heads. Across the world, most electrical power is generated in coal-fired power stations. Coal is a dirty fuel that releases more carbon dioxide per unit of energy produced than any other fossil fuels like petroleum and natural gas. Now, researchers at the University of Nottingham in the UK are working on a new method of refining coal, which will reduce noxious emissions and allow it to be burnt in different, more efficient ways.
This project is looking at a way to generate electricity from coal more efficiently by removing the mineral matter from the coal, therefore being able to burn it in a higher efficiency combined cycle power generation.
A leaching technique using hydrofluoric acid dissolves a range of contaminants from the coal, allowing them to be removed. Minerals such as silica and quartz extracted from the coal become useful byproducts, and the hydrofluoric acid used in the process can actually be reused. Currently in power generation plants, coal is used to heat water to drive steam turbines. Gas from the new refined coal could be used in a turbine engine, much like kerosene is burnt in a jet engine. Without its corrosive contaminants, the coal wouldn't damage turbine blades. That could mean new, more efficient techniques for generating power.
We're looking to get the level of mineral matter down to below 0.05%, so about 500 parts per million. So once you start getting down to those low levels, you can then start thinking about possibly burning the coal directly in a gas turbine. So burning it in a very different way to the way coal is conventionally burned, where it's burned and you produce superheated steam to drive a turbine. In this way, you're burning the coal directly, combustion gases drive the turbine.
A more efficient process means less CO2 per megawatt, cutting emissions from power stations and cutting down on greenhouse gases. Higher living standards for China's 1.3 billion people are fueling increased consumption of energy. The economic superpower is creating excess pollution and fossil fuel use is spiralling. Tsinghua University's low-energy demo building sets a standard for other green buildings. It's China's first energy-efficient research centre. Exterior fins regulate the temperature. Solar panels heat water, which is pumped through the building in small pipes to heat or cool down the inside. If every Chinese person used as much energy in their buildings as an American, 40% of the entire energy resources of the world would be used just air conditioning China's buildings.
What we don't need any more of are these big, huge glass constructions. These buildings use up about twice as much energy as a normal building, or more. If every Chinese person uses as much energy in their building as an American person, that's 1/15 times 6, that's 2/5, 40%. That's to say that 40% of the entire energy resources of the world would be used here in China's buildings.